Welcome to the beautiful mountainous countryside here in the south of Croatia. We're here to have a chilled out week, but also to explore this beautiful country. So first stop is Dubrovnik. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Rog Vlog. Here we are at the Dubrovnik Cable Car. We're going to go straight up the side of the mountain and look down on the city of Dubrovnik. Here we are, high above Dubrovnik, and I know you don't like heights, Tricia, so how was that cable car ride?
It was horrible. Brought back memories of last year abseiling down that building.
Of course, it's a year ago since we did the dogs abseil. We did it for the dogs. And now for a nice lunch in the Panorama Restaurant. And again, the views of Dubrovnik are absolutely amazing. That was a fabulous lunch in an amazing location. Now it's time to explore the old city of Dubrovnik. And of course, if you're a Game of Thrones fan, you'll know that this is one of the locations they use for filming. This is King's Landing. Let's go and look for the Red Keep. I love all these cute little secret girdles. Ancient streets. Thanks to Game of Thrones, I guess Dubrovnik Old Town must now be one of the most visited tourist attractions in the entire world. It's incredibly busy here. The base for our Croatian adventures is right here in the Croatian countryside, about 2 miles from a little village called Gruda. Great little village. There's a supermarket and an amazing bakery. And we found this AirBnB. Now, it's great value and it's an absolutely glorious place to stay. Let's have a look. It's called House Petra. Well, the family is still asleep, so I'm not going to take you for a tour around the house. Suffice to say, it's very comfortable, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, comfortable living room, fabulous kitchen, and of course a balcony overlooking the Croatian countryside and the swimming pool. We've got a very pretty garden and actually some swings to play on, if that's what you're into. Fancy some green figs? Petra said we can help ourselves to as many as we want. And of course, beyond the boundaries of the house, nothing but woodland and beautiful scenery. And of course, essential in a really hot country, the swimming pool. This just has to be done. Well, enough messing around in the pool. Time to get on with our Croatian adventure. Let's go to Cavtat. This is a much quieter resort than the manic throngs of Dubrovnik. And here in this amazing harbour, look at some of these incredible yachts. The waterfront is absolutely festooned with restaurants and bars and cafes, and it's starting to feel like beer o'clock. Beer o'clock.
Beer o'clock.
Absolutely. This is a little bit different to the harbour cafe that I'm used to back at Fisher Road, and the beer is amazing. And just like in Dubrovnik, there's all these fabulous little ginnels with millions and millions of steep stairs. Of course, you know how I love harbours. That's why I always go down to the harbour at Fisher Road and grab a coffee at the weekend. This is just ideal. And it's, I don't know, it's that sort of combination of the smell of the sea, the smell of the coffee, or in this case, the smell of the beer and the food from the restaurants. Oh, this is just stunning. I love it here at Cavtat. Next on our itinerary is high up here in the mountains, and this is Sokol Grad, and it's another castle. That's going to be the one thing I remember about Croatia. Steps, steps, and more steps. Wow, we're a little bit high up here, aren't we? Cannons and cannonballs. Just imagine trying to attack this castle. It's so high up, it must have been a perfect place to defend. Maybe these things actually still work. What a stunning location, Sokol Grad Castle, right up here in the mountains in Croatia. Do you know what? All of those stairs, walking all the way up here, it's almost like I've done about 5 body combat classes. We're here at a really fabulous location for a restaurant. This is called Konavoski Dvori, and it's right by the river. That's a whopper.
It's a whopper, but I'm waiting to see what's going to go on there.
Those are gigantic steaks, but Andrew is having an octopus served in some sort of tagine. Can't wait to see how big that's going to be.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Challenge accepted.
It's great to come back to the villa for the sunset, and this is one of my favourite times of day. I think they called it golden hour. The sun's just gone down behind the trees, and as you can hear, it's so quiet. Only the sound of the birds. This is a great time to chill out. Time to continue exploring, and today we're popping over the border into Montenegro. But actually getting across the border was really easy, and we're here in the city of Kotor, and the mountains surrounding this town are just stunning, absolutely stunning. Up there's the castle which everybody recommends that you climb up to. And I said yesterday, there's lots of steps in Croatia. I think there's just as many steps here in Montenegro, and it's really, really hot, so I'm not sure that we're going to be able to climb all the way up there. Well, we're going to try and give it a go, even though it's blazing hot and it's really steep already. Well, that's probably one of the hardest climbs I have ever done in my entire life, and in 40 degrees heat as well. But the views are absolutely stunning. Oh, we made it safely down, and this Well deserved. Now, I've got a confession to make. I only went halfway up the side of the mountain to the bell tower. I wimped out climbing all the way up to the fortress. But fortunately, Andrew went all the way.
I've taken control. Roger's packed it in, so he's not going to climb to the top, so I am instead. Made it to the top. This shouldn't be called Rog Vlogs, this should be called Andrew Vlogs.
We've had a great week here exploring the beautiful country of Croatia and Montenegro, of course. And as the sun goes down on our holiday, we're just spending a little bit more time chilling out here down by the pool. If you enjoyed this episode of Rog Vlog, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's only one thing left to say. Cheers, everybody. But